Hi friends, I am Tyagiraj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see Tally Prime keyboard shortcuts. Before getting into the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Tally application we can operate easily by using keyboard shortcuts, that is function keys, letters, other key combinations. In this session we are going to see Tally Prime hidden keys. Most of the keys we can able to see in the Tally application screen itself, but some of the keys are hidden. In Tally we are categorizing three types of hidden keys. First one, basic keys, and some other keys are common which were used in earlier version. Second one, hidden keys used in masses and watches. Third one, these keys used in reports level. Now we are going to see Tally Prime basic hidden keys. Now we are in Tally Prime application. Company already loaded. We are in Gateway of Tally screen. Under Gateway of Tally screen, we can able to see under Master, Create, Alter, Chart of Account, under Transaction, Watches and Daybook, under Utility, Banking, under Report, Balance Sheet, Profit and Loss Account, Stock Summary, Ratio Analysis, Display More Reports and Quit. If you want to get into in this menu, we can use arrow key for navigation instead of mouse. By using down arrow, we can get into any of the field in Gateway of Tally screen. By using up arrow, we can go back to the previous site, alter or create. Here, if you want to get into create, you need to click on enter, or you can click on C button, which letter is highlighted in that particular head. Click on escape for come out of the screen. Right hand side button bar, we can able to see function keys, F2 date and F3 company. If you click on F2 function key, we can change that current date. Similarly, if you want to change the company, you need to click on function key F3. Right hand side, we can able to see there is a two small arrow key option is there for F2 and F3 button. It indicates more keys available in this button. Those buttons we can able to use by using multiple key combination. For example, F2 is used for changing current date in this screen. In Tally, Alt and Control button commonly used for key combination. Once hold that Alt button, we can see the key is changed. F2 becomes F2 underscore nothing but Alt key combination. In the place of date, it is display period. Similarly, another button also changed. Instead of F3, it is displays F3 underline, and instead of company, it is showing select company. Now let us try by using key combination. Here we are going to press Alt F2 or Alt function F2 for change that period. Now let us try for control button. Once hold the control button, you can able to see there is a set company, means control F3 you need to use it. Similarly, we can able to see in top menu bar, instead of go to, we can able to see here switch to. Switch to shortcut key is Ctrl G. Click on escape button to come out of the screen. Go to shortcut key is Alt G. Click on Alt Enter for collapse or expand group tables. Go to and switch to features already covered in earlier session. If you want to know, video link is given in the I button, or you can check the link in description box. Now let's see some other hidden keys used in Gateway of Tally screen. Now the cursor is there in create menu. By holding control button, click on down arrow, we can able to see directly jump into the last head under master. Click on control up arrow for reverse that direction. Click on page down button to move bottom of this page, and page up button for move top of this page. Click on Alt K button for manage company. In this menu list, if you want to move down, you need to click on down arrow, or if you want to go up, you need to click on up arrow. Other than that, you can see the function keys for change, select or shut company. Click on right arrow to move other menu in the top menu bar. Click on control right arrow to move last button in top menu bar. For reverse the direction, you need to click on control left arrow key. Click on Control down arrow for move that each menu list. Click on Control up arrow for reverse that direction. In the next menu, we can see there is an option called split. In the besides split, you can see the right arrow option. Click on right arrow. Here is listing two options. Click on escape button. Come out of this list. If you want to know Tally Prime release and build status, enter Ctrl Alt B. In the calculator panel display release and build status. Similarly, if you want to know TDL or customization loaded status, enter Ctrl Alt T. Ctrl Alt R option for repair or refresh that selected company. If you want to enable any company features, click on F11 function key. Save that particular changes. You need to press Ctrl A for accepting that screen. Enter Ctrl N key for open calculator panel in Tally Prime application. If once again press Ctrl N, the calculator panel will close. Click on Alt F4 for quit option, or you can click on that particular letter which letter is highlighted on quit. Here it's Q. Click on escape button for quit, or you can click on Ctrl Q for quit. Here we are listed basic hidden keys in Tally Prime for your reference. In upcoming session, we will see Tally Prime master and transaction hidden keys and Tally Prime report hidden keys. I hope you may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.